Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page on a Meta Business Portfolio, formerly known as Meta Business Manager. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also visit the description section. We are going to share important resources to help you succeed across Meta. So let's jump right straight into this video. So guys, after making it to business portfolio settings, you basically click on this settings icon here to come here, or you click on business.facebook.com/settings. Then you would find an option. You select the business portfolio in case you have more than one. If not, you're going to make it to this point. Next, you click on pages. Then you click on add. Then we're going to simply create a new Facebook page. So we'll add the name we want to use for the page. Okay, so we could just say e-commerce. That's going to come out for us. Okay, let's just search for food. So food wholesaler. Then we'll click on next. We're going to skip the bio for now. Okay, then we agree. Then create the Facebook page. So this is how you could create your Facebook page from Meta Business Portfolio. So click on done. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. And also do well to visit the description section of this video for more useful information.